Large Designer View mode has been in SOLIDWORKS assemblies for many years now, but there are some updates to 2019 that we want to take a look at. Large Designer View allows you to quickly open up large assemblies, interrogate them for various things such as section views, measurements, and even add walkthrough animations. But we're going to focus on Edit mode, which is inside of Large Designer View mode. The Edit mode allows us to do various things, such as view standard planes, we can take a look at mates, we can turn on and off sketches and use them to add mate references. We can also remove or insert new components. Let's take a look at getting rid of these pumps and replacing them with other models. We're going to insert a component and add a new pump assembly. We'll reorient the pump assembly and get it in roughly the right location. Then we can begin by applying mates using the standard options that we have in an assembly. Notice that this one is placed well outside of the area where we need. I'll make use of the magnifying glass to zoom into the area that I need. Then we'll move back over to the other section and we'll finish off our mate. Now our new pump has been located. Large Designer View Edit mode also makes use of magnetic mates. Let's go ahead and insert another component. We're going to get the condenser in approximately the right location. I'll use Tab to reorient it, and then we'll allow the magnetic mates to automatically snap it into place. Also new for 2019 is the ability to modify configurations of your components inside a Large Designer View Edit mode. Let's go ahead and change this to a 6 horsepower drive motor on our pump. You can see that we were able to quickly and easily update the model with that information. Any changes that we make in Large Designer View Edit mode can be saved, and then the next time you open your file in normal or lightweight mode, those changes will propagate down. These are just a few enhancements to Large Designer View Edit mode in SOLIDWORKS 2019, but they'll help go a long way to interrogating large assemblies and making changes without fully loading all your components.